Okay guys, it's Mags from Creature Ark here, back at the summer reading challenge, and this beautiful guy here, and I wish I could get closer for Cuddle because he is a bit of a baby, and normally I'd be kissing him, and I know I'm going to kiss him, just to show you how beautiful he is. Now, as you can see, he's quite happy to be out and about, but guys, he does stink. He does stink. I'm his mum, so I don't mind. But he is a member of the mustelid family, and the mustelid family are a stinky family. But they're stinky for a reason. He wants to mark his territory to say, I want all the food and I want all the girls in this area. He's stinky as well, because look at him. He's got a long body and he's got short legs. So when he goes out hunting, when he's close to the ground, he's leaving that smell everywhere. So when he wants to go home, all he has to do is put his nose back down to the ground and he'll be able to find his way home. Now, mustelid family, if we think about some of the other members of the mustelid family, we've got pine martens, stoats, badgers. You tell him. Look at that. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. He actually loves being stroked like this. And the ferrets actually domesticated polecats. Now, thousands of years we actually thought, wow, polecats are really good at hunting. We thought we'll actually use that skill and take them into our huts and use them to catch the rats. So they were rat catchers. We used them as rat catchers. Of course, we used now that sort of then went on to using cats as rat catchers. So we don't use ferrets as much here. But this guy's a supreme hunter. Now, look at that body there. He's really good at getting down tunnels. He's got a long body, haven't you? Got a long body and also short legs as well. But he's got a flexible backbone. So if he gets stuck down a hole, look what he can do. He can do a U-bend. He's adapted his face there. Look at that. He's got ears flush against his head so he doesn't get dirt in his ears. He's got a long nose so he can push his way down holes. He's got small eyes so he doesn't get dirt in his eyes. And he's got those whiskers there as well. And those whiskers help him tremendously because they're sensory whiskers. He finds out what's happening all around him. And this guy can eat things a lot bigger than himself. So we talked about rats, but he could also quite easily hunt rabbits. Yeah. So he's got overlocking teeth. So when he grabs hold of his prey, his teeth overlap. He actually has, look at those long nails as well. If we think about our cats can actually put their nails away. Ferrets can't put their nails away. So they do get in the way sometimes, but he doesn't want them to get in the way. He's very, very beautiful. Now, he is very special because one of the other things that smell does is attracts female ferrets. The smellier he is, the better for the female ferret. And he does smell absolutely brilliant. He's got his own unique smell. But, you know, as well as being a supreme hunter, there are animals that might want to eat him. So if an animal comes along and thinks, actually I'd like you as a meal, what he can do is he can turn his bottom to them, he can squeeze his cheeks, and he can squeeze out a horrible smell. And that animal thinks, you know, I don't actually want to eat you anymore. You smell horrible, so you're going to probably taste horrible as well. Think of another animal that can do that. I'm thinking of a black and white animal. Yep, you're right, skunks. Yeah, skunks can do that. So this guy is very, very beautiful. Now look at those colours there. He's the colour, more like a colour of our native polecats. And of course we do have polecats out in the wild. But that sort of that yellowy colour is all the oils, his mustelid oils that he's spread all over himself to make him really, really attractive and to spread that smell about. He is very beautiful. So So just one of the other animals we have here at Creature Ark. So guys, let us know if you do see any animals similar to this out in the wild when you're out walking this summer.